Hi, I'm Karen from SessionLab, and I'm going to show you how to create an agenda using the tool. Planning a workshop or a meeting doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. With SessionLab, you can create clear, professional agendas in no time. Let me show you how. Start by adding blocks to outline the flow of your session. The drag and drop feature makes it easy to quickly structure and rearrange your agenda. And if you want to adjust the timing of an activity, simply click to adjust and SessionLab automatically calculates the timing for you. Color-coded categories make it easy to see the balance of activities and get an instant visual overview of your session flow. If you have lots of activities and discussions, add a coffee break or an energizer. Once your session is ready, export it as a PDF, in Word or PowerPoint, or share an online link. Whether it's a detailed plan or a simple overview, SessionLab helps you deliver professional agendas that are easy to share with clients, stakeholders, or participants. Ready to streamline your workshop planning? Try it for free and join more than 100,000 facilitators designing more engaging sessions.